Hey, wait, back off, Max.
Come on,
Wait.
son.
Back
Is he
off.
hungry?
Yeah, go find him. Oh, look. Watch out.
Oh, it's not working. He's gonna keep.
Watch out.
It's coming. I don't.
Here he goes. Watch it. Don't, Max, get back.
It's going to be a quick move. What it's going to do, is he?
Izzy, move your head back.
While the mouse is
Don't touch him.
The snake is staring at his prey. No, my memory's full.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Well, Slim's
Hold on.
slowly. He's stalking his prey. Wait.
All right, stop. Oh, look, he's going. He's going.
Wait.
He's going, guys.
I can't. My
He's
thing's not
going.
working.
Wait. All right, just watch.
All right, Xander,
Watch.
you send it to me when you're done.
Watch, guys.
Go, Slim. Oh. As you can see, the prey is being eaten by the mouse, while the mouse is struggling to survive.
No,
while the snake is choking the mouse to death, the mouse is now dying. The snake Mom, come over here. While the snake is biting him, the mouse is very struggling.
Oh, he's giving him a big...
The mouse has no life.
All right.
The snake is finishing his prey while he's trying to knock out the mouse.
Max, Xander, back off. Let's...
As you can see,
He's going to kill him first. And
I saw what happened. He went so fast, he bit him.
he bit him.
so slow, but he
went like a...
Don't knock the snake thing. Let him finish it.